Hi teacher, I'm Steph Giviles. I'm going to present about planning management and segments PBL on the class. Okay, we have little parts of the main essay article that I did onto performance on the YouTube platform. I present such as our article in calameo.com. The first thing I consider that most important is the introduction. We have the project-based learning is about the content, knowledge and skills because it's an academic and pedagogical instrument in which students pursue a product related to the topic. It's authenticity and reference with what challenge need problem answer. The teacher sets the goals of the learner and then allows the learner to explore the topic and create the project. The student has the voice and choice. The student should to make groups for have active participation in a collaborative group. In the explorative skills, the students can develop skills such as reading, speaking, and thinking goals. For to do posteriority, make debates or make a role plays. PBL is instrument or tool for a community partnerships. After that, the teacher should to evaluate the feedback and revision of all the steps. After that, the students make the publicity and present the project of the community. And we have the final, that is their reflection. After that, we have the methodology. When students engage in PBL, when they learn project management, when they grow more emphatic, they become problem solvers, they become hackers and learners, they become system thinkers, they are explorers, they become widely and vastly different, they are more engaged in their learning, they are ready for the creativity and economy, they learn to take creative risks, they make the connection between ideas, and they think divergently, they think in interactive thinking. This PBL is very creative for to do a project, and with these tools the students build amazing creative ideas. On the other hand, the role teacher is a facilitator. In other words, they do not really engage control of the collaborative classroom or student learning, but rather develop an atmosphere and shared responsibility. The teacher must instruct by proposed question issue so as to direct the students' learning toward content-based materials. The instructor must require the student success with instrument traditional goals to ensure student projects remain focused on a cognitive goals through feedback and assessment. We have the evaluation. A teacher evaluates to each student in 4 steps. The first is the creativity. The second is how the student's performance it could be with say. The third step is about how the students can present, and students can make a video. And the final question, the final step is the way that the students perform the final project. The results. After to make the applied the methodology in some students of the higher level, is evidence of the student enthusiasm and motivation for this project must be seen in the continuing involvement of PBL. 20 members of the higher class volunteered their time and expertise during the project. The pattern was similar in the next year. Several people have now participated for 3 years running. Much of the continuing interest shows a desire to continue learning. They say that they add to their arsenal of project management knowledge each time they participate. So additionally, they say that they want to watch a process more than one time. Just not a short semester that project management to really do work conscientiously, and the successful previous years projects are not the result of good fortune. And we have the conclusion. First, I consider that PBL is a pedagogical method in which students are directed to create an artifact or artifacts to present their gained knowledge. Artifacts may include a variety of media such as greetings, art, drawings, three-dimensional representations, videos, photography, or technology-based presentation. All these elements are in the solved problem in the process of the training the project. Focus on the community or in the class. Depends of your opinion about how do you believe in that situation. Can you apply this method? And students learn to work in a community, thereby taking social responsibility as long as in the first slide we know that the principal objective of this PBL is that students can develop skills. Meanwhile, they will develop social skills, that is work in groups and something like that. Thank you, teacher. It is all.